Welcome back to our Blender tutorial series. In this episode, we are diving into the real modeling step, creating a transformation object. So, let's get started. In Blender, transformation object is essential and we will explore the basics in the video. To start, let's head to the transformation property tab by pressing M. So, you will see the transformation property here. And you can also find in the property tab. It's the same with this one. So you will see the location of the object and rotation and scale and dimension of the object. For now, let's start by moving the object along the A1Z axis. When you left click and drag it on one axis, you will see the location of the Jew is changing. And you can get more precisely and smoothly the location of the Jew by pressing Shift and then left click and drag on the A1Z axis. You can also type in the exact number you want to move in the box. For example, let's move it to 10 meter in the axis and 10 meter in one axis and 10 meter inside axis. You can also test transformation in other transform property like rotation and scale and dimension of the tube. So, as we already said it, the best way to work efficiently in Blender is by using shortcut. So, let's set shortcut for transformation our object. So, let's start by deleting the tube by pressing H and then select delete. And then we will edit another tube. To edit tube, you can press Shift and A and then choosing the object you want. In this case, I want to choose the tube. The shortcut for transformation are G for grabbing and moving the object, and R for rotation, and S for scaling. You can snap the transformation onto one axis. So let's start by moving the object on the axis. So G for grabbing or moving, and then press H to snap it onto the axis. Okay, and then we will test the rotation and press R to rotate, and then we will snap the rotation onto the, let's say, size. Okay, and then we can press S to scale, and then we will snap scaling onto the Y axis by pressing Y. Okay, the shortcuts are G for grabbing and moving, R for rotation, and S for scaling. So I suggest you practice creating, transformation, and deleting objects and get familiar with the shortcuts and transformation before we move on to the another video. So I will see you in the next video.